What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is Police Bust Woman's Subway Restaurant Scam. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
On August 1st, 2024, officers were called to a Subway where a woman tried to pick up prepaid food under a person's credit card that she did not know.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
But,
Am I here to talk to you, ma'am?
no.
Oh, no, okay. Hey.
I got a call from a gentleman who lives in Detroit, Michigan, okay, for this order, and that girl outside right there is here to pick it up. And we didn't know what to do, so my boss told me to call you guys. And I had told him that I would give him a call back, but I also told him that he needed to contact his bank on top of it. But this is the guy's name, this is his phone number, and she's here to pick it up.
This is it? This is the order? Just 13 bucks?
Yep, it is salad, chips, and a footlong pretzel.
Okay, and he sent her to pick it up, that's all?
No, his card got hacked.
Oh, I gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, he called me right away and was like, hey, something just came out, and I live in Detroit, Michigan. And I was like, huh? So...
This guy's the card holder.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
And you did talk to him?
I did talk to him.
And he says he didn't place this order?
He did. He said that, yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, hang on to all this for me for a second.
Okay.
And she's here to pick it up. Let me...
Yeah.
Okay, let me talk to her before she runs off.
All right. Thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Oh, she gone.
Yeah, with my suspect behind Big D's Pizza.
Clear 1254.
Can I talk to you, ma'am?
Oh, yeah. What's up?
So you were over here to pick up an order, correct? The Subway?
Yeah, I'm coming back over there.
Okay. What's going on with that?
Hold on a second. Let me call you right back. So my friend put in an order for me. I think I have to pay for it, but why is everything okay?
Well, yeah, there was an issue with the order, so just trying to find out what was going on with it.
I'm not sure. I mean, myself, because I had asked my friend to get me some Subway, and sometimes they do it. Was there like an issue with it? Is it like shady or something?
Yeah.
It is?
So do you have an ID or driver's license on you, please?
At my spot, I do.
What's that mean, your spot?
Like, I'm in recovery, so
Okay.
like, you know what I'm saying? And
Down there
I
at
really,
down there at the hotel?
yeah, I don't want any trouble. Like, I'll pay for it. Like, if that's the case, like, I didn't know, like.
Well, it was prepaid, so with a card or something, I think.
Yeah, I'll do. I don't know. I don't want any issues. You know, I'm really serious about my. So I apologize if there was something wrong with it.
What room you staying in?
I was staying in room 3. But like, yeah, I was just like.
What was your name?
I don't want no issues. My name is Gianna.
Can you spell your first name for me?
Gianna.
Gianna.
Oh my gosh, that's embarrassing. I'm so sorry.
So I'm sorry. One more time. Slowly.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Okay. You know your social?
I just kind of stepped outside, but I mean, I do want Subway, so.
She guilty, man. You know what's going on.
So who are you? So who placed the order for you?
It was my friend.
Is he with you? Is he down at the room there? Or?
No, he lives in Finley, and like I'm just trying to get my stuff together. You know, like I can pay for like my own stuff, but he just was like, I guess it was just kind of like he could help me out. But if it's like shady or something, like I don't want to be involved with that. So like, I apologize.
How long you been staying down here at the?
I've been here since like it's been, I got here the 26th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Food in someone else's name that someone else ordered. Don't you think it's kind of shady right off the get?
I mean,
15.
I guess I could see how that could be
Good.
shady. Yeah. I guess I could understand
Came
that.
back to a Kiana, a Honeycutt of Finley.
Yeah.
Possible Henrietta Tom. She's suspended.
All right. Where's that out of?
Hancock County.
I mean, I can understand that actually, but I wasn't thinking that he put me in any situation where it would be like that.
Listen, you down on hard times. People's information is all on the internet or whatever. Like, there's breaches and leaks and all that other stuff left and right or whatever, right? So people can find your, whatever, your information or whatever and put in an order and they probably tried to hit Subway because they wouldn't think that, oh, it's just a couple of dollars. It's not a big deal. It's not a big, but clearly Subway got their security systems up to date, and whoever is the guy that they use the card or whatever, he on point. So he immediately got the alert or whatever the case may be, you know what I'm saying? And he called in, you know what I mean? Like, she's down on hard times. She's trying to get something to eat, but that's still no excuse to, steal someone else's identity. Yeah. I don't know, man.
Okay. For the time being, I'm gonna have you have a seat in the back of the car over here. Okay. Checking on a warrant that you might have. So.
Out of where?
Hancock County.
For what?
I don't know yet. So my dispatcher's running that down. But for the time being, step over here.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna check you quick, ma'am. Just make sure you got no bazookas, machine guns, rocket launchers, and that on you. Okay.
No, I don't.
Okay. Anything that's gonna poke me?
No.
You got any dope?
No, I'm clean. I'm in recovery.
And you got a warrant? Oh yeah, you cook.
I'm gonna hang on to your phone for the time being.
If I have a warrant, would you allow me to call someone so I can like?
We're gonna go one step at a time here. Any pockets on your pants there?
No.
Okay. All right. For now, just have a seat in the back of the car here.
Okay, I will call and I will let him know. I told him I'd call him back because I told him that he would have to do it on his bank account and stuff like that to get it.
Yeah. Does it say how it was paid? I mean, it was paid with a card or what it was paid with?
It was paid with a card because normally when they come through the onlines, they're normally paid with a card.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, I mean, I've used the Subway app. I have a card saved to the account.
Yeah.
I'll just take a picture of this.
Yeah, my boss was like, you might want to call the cops because.
Well, you called. I was up there eating my sub, and the dispatcher's like, well, the Subway's got questions they want to ask an officer. He was like, going to transfer the phone call. And he turns around and he goes, well, I'll just send Jay. And I'm like, didn't know what was going on.
Yeah, yeah, because we were like, they're going to come in. We didn't know if they were going to start a riot and be like, oh, I want our food or something. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll just have an officer come. And then she came in, and then as soon as he pulled up, she walked outside.
Okay, so it was just her?
It was just her.
And she's staying down at she's part of the sober living or whatever down at
that
the
makes
plaza.
sense.
So.
Oh, man. She's gonna
They
get
can come
kicked
to the
out.
pantry and get food.
Well, what better when I
Yeah.
can get it for free
Free.
from here, you know? She's saying she was going to pay for it. I'm like, well, it's prepaid. It's already paid.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, I didn't, which, I don't think she's not part of the conspiracy that probably stole this guy's card or whatever, but I mean, she had to have known that something was. So I'm not going to charge her with any kind of, you know, offense. She's going to go to county on her warrant anyway.
Okay.
So she got enough problems.
Yeah.
So if that makes sense, but appreciate you guys having heads up and that he called, and so you said you're going to call him back.
Yep, I'm going to call him back.
Okay. Just let him know we got her. So
Okay. Awesome.
So.
Thank you guys very
All right,
much.
no problem.
You're not going to charge her with any offense due to stealing someone else's identity? What type of stuff is this? This is why you got to switch up your cards, man. You got to call the bank. You got to get a new card every year. You know, I know they got the expiration date on there. You know, it's every like 2-3 years or whatever. But look, you got to switch your cards every year. Call the bank. I lost my card. They're going to send you a new one. That's a fact, because everybody's information is online, and scammers they could find this stuff out. So you can't hold on to a card for too long. I say a year max. After that, boop, call the bank. Hey, you know, I misplaced my card. They're gonna freeze it or whatever, and they're gonna send you out a new one. Take, you know, within, you know, a week or two or whatever. But yeah, better be safe than sorry. You know what I'm saying? And because you see these cops, they gonna steal your information and order food, and they not even gonna get charged with it. So
Hancock County wants you under warrant.
What's it for?
Trafficking.
Like an indictment?
I'm assuming trafficking is normally a felony, which would be an indictment. So, and they want you. So what's going to happen? We're going to run you up to the station here quick, our station, just for a little paperwork, but you're going to be transported to the Sandusky County Jail in Fremont, and then eventually Hancock County will come pick you up. So,
Can you do me a favor? Can you get one number out of my phone?
you can have your phone back. So you're welcome to use it. So I'm not going to charge you with any theft or anything down here. It's certainly reasonable.
I didn't know,
well,
that sucks about.
you said it yourself. Your account was hacked or something like that, so it was a fraudulent order. You got 200 names involved with the purchase of your food. You should know something's up.
Honestly, I need to work on my thinking things through, and that's why I'm in this program. But I do apologize.
So, but you're gonna go to jail on your warrant. So,
Okay.
so I'm just being crystal clear with you. So, understood? Okay. This officer's gonna run you up to our station.
Okay.
So I appreciate you being cooperative and everything with me.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So you're welcome to use your phone. Call wherever you need to call.
Okay.
All right.
She was arrested for the warrant they found out she had. Do you think she didn't know that
you're welcome to use your phone, do whatever. Yo, wherever this is at, I do not want to listen. She locked up and she could use her phone and do whatever. It's real laid back. You can scam, don't get charged for it. All types. Oh, what kind of example are you setting for the rest of the criminals that's in your city or in your town? Oh boy. These cops get a 1. 1. Poor. They get a 1. Let me know what you rate them down below in the comment section. They get a 1 from me. This is absolutely ridiculous.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.